Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make G Major 4 Type AVS video editor. My eyes hurt.
Well, then lay down. Go.
Okay, mommy's talking in the video, gotta restart. I gotta show you how to make G Major 4 Type AVS video editor. Fill this one, then choose filter, basic, blending. This one's the real G Major 4 typed Sony Vegas. Okay, let's press Phonics. Adjustment, gain. Oh, not that one. Oh, let's try that again. This one, adjustment, gain, will be like that. Let me try the layer. Gain. Let me try temperature. Nope, not that one. Nope. Lift. Yes. Gamma. Nope. Shadows. No. Highlights. No. Temperature. No. Now open up color changer. I gotta see if that one's right. Color changer. That one's right. Turn off both of these sounds because we don't need those. We go back to KineMaster, audio, my files, voice changer. This one. This one. Hold on, let me watch it. Okay, that one's great. My phone is a little glitchy. Mommy, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to everyone. Okay, Mommy is stressing me out. Alright, this is the result, guys. G Major 4 typed AVS video editor let's get started with the preview. That ending looks like Metal Effect. This is how you make it, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.